Welcome, prayers to another week of Pree Dis. Of course, we're in Barbican, in the streets of Kingston, in my yard beat. And it's all about the hottest and the latest premiums coming out of Jamaica. Right here to you now for the next half an hour. We got the hottest parties, party. Let's get away. So we have brand new music videos, whole heap of artists, brand new artists. So stick with us for the next half an hour because Pree Dis, hit upon Pree Dis, starts right now. Let go. Now here the Pree. What makes a good party? Let me tell you. All inclusive, check. Water party, check. Girls, check. Yeah man, the party was Wet Zone Water Party, which was held at the Konshens Golf Club. And trust me, we were there in a whole heap of vibes. We have the vibes right here now, so Pree Dis.
Selector, bounce and wanna feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl Starbucks blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Watch big selector a play, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, follow me then. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see my girl. Party face. Everybody is so going to set me record and just visit that house and everything.
Pree Dis turn up, our Wet Zone turn up, till it buck, bad, properly. All our art, look good, Pree Dis, look good, Pree Dis, bad.
Alright, here shall I talk about Pree Dis. Now what I know, tell the patrons at home now, how the party are going for.
It's lovely, I pierce my navel as well.
Also then the piercings here tonight?
Yes.
So you just get adventurous and do it like that?
Yeah, just got done over there.
How the party I look so?
And as I said, the party shot, the party mad, the party turn up.
Turn up like a M16, Ghana lead.
I'm going to tell them when I come tomorrow, the another day.
I know, Chantal, let the people them know why you come out tonight still.
Come on, somebody, I show my sexy shape.
Boy!
I know the woman them out. I want to go water party, you know, say a whole heap of woman. Now them two-piece and a bag of thing. Right now, I'm there, and it's a good look. Just believe me. Right now, I don't want left. I come out to the girl them there. I don't want to go no bed.
Wet Zone is the name of the party, and of course, with those sponsors coming on board, this party would not have been possible. Now, St. Mary's Banana Strip is one of the many sponsors that I have going on at the party tonight. We're here with the lovely Camille. She's a marketing coordinator of JP Foods, and she's going to be talking to us about St. Mary's Banana Strips and their involvement. Now, I want to know exactly, how has the relationship been with Wet Zone and St. Mary's Banana Strips?
It's been a great one, actually. People love to party, and when they party, they love to snack. So we came on board immediately as they approached us.
All right, so I was trying to wrap my mind around it, banana chips and partying. How does it go hand in hand?
Well, I mean, people move around a lot, as you can see, and they need to be fortified. So we have great snacks, tropical food snacks, and banana barbecue and cassava chips is actually what we have them sampling here today.
Of course, we're here with St. Mary's Banana Chips representative. I want to find out what is the involvement with Wet Zone and St. Mary's Banana Chips. I can't wrap my mind around that. How banana chips and partying come together.
Young people like the flavor. As you can see, the banana chips is going real fast because we're the best tasting banana chips there is in Jamaica.
I know, so what's you guys promoting today? What kind of banana chips is this?
We're promoting St. Mary Banana Barbecue Chips.
Oh, never heard about that one, man. Brand new.
No, it isn't. It's been here for quite a while. Yes, it has. And the cassava chips also.
Water party shot. Yo, Denyque. No, I swear. Share the squad, the thing turn up, it gone off the hook. From an enter, be a woman out a gate, it don't look good. And you're so nice. All who never there, you miss it.
I don't talk to you about the party. How you come up with the name of the party? And what was the concept behind it?
Yo, the concept was all about wet, sexy, you see me? It's a zone. What do you want
want it turn up. Look on the crowd.
Yes, sir. Like the turnout.
Yo, the crowd not even done yet. Look on the party.
I want to tell us enough people never reach it. We tell them so early, but the people end up on them own time, but them still are rolling. So we're good, we are party, we are enjoy ourselves. You see me, I wet soon, the girl them come get wet.
I get endorsement from Shady Squad, you know. No. We talk about the turnout, we talk about the venue. Now the DJs them, who you choose and why you choose them?
Yeah, you see the DJ them, some of them come from Pace, you see me? As well as some of them come from radio stations, you see me? Everybody know them. You have Chunky 4-star.
Big up 24-star, yeah man, everything good?
Yeah man, they don't know the thing going on, go to the world though.
People are requesting in a summer right now. I swear people are coming to us and say, oh, when the party I keep back again. They want to support you, squad and 4-star. You see me?
Alright now, I'm coming for to find a Kirvo Water, you know, because I don't know, I love my Kirvo Water, the ginseng. Now this week, Talent on the Rise is all about Nando. Yeah man, we're zoning on this Talent on the Rise, and we're going to find out more about him in this week's act. Pree Dis.
Talent on the Rise is brought to you by Cool Runnings Kirvo Water, just cool.
Girl, when you whine, you make me wanna ride all night. These feelings can't be held back. I got to let you know, I wanna take you back to my place. Once we leave the shore, right now the club is jumping, and I really love the floor. So let's dance some more until it's time to go. DJ, let me wind up on our run. Turn it up, let me climb up on our run.
Yeah man, we have to kick things off with our Cool Running Kirvo Water. Here with us, Talent on the Rise, we have none other than Nando making his scene on the entertainment table. They're going to find out exactly who is Nando and what he's bringing to the musical game. Now Nando, talk to us now. Who is Nando? Let us know exactly like who you are, where you're coming from, and what you're bringing to the musical game.
Well, Nando is a singer-songwriter. What I'm bringing is just fresh vibe, fresh energy. You know, right now it's all about my 2 singles I have out there. Right now, Ride All Night and My Everything, just crazy energy, and for the girls then, always, My Everything.
Now talk to us about Ride All Night. Who did you work with on that production?
For that production, I had D1, hail from out of England, who actually worked on Irie, the song Irie, What a Blood Son them, yeah, same producer, wicked producer.
So excited about this. Why music as a profession though?
Well, when you ask me from the age of 3 what I wanted to be, I tell you is a singer. You know, so it's like, just from then, the energy and just it's just growth. So from that age to now, where you see me, still have the love for music and just the energy still there. So.
Now talk to us about your musical journey. How did you get to come about, get this production done for Ride All Night? What was that climb like to get to that, to see your single being out there, being played? What was that like?
Man, it was hectic. You know, the thing about it is that I have a really good team. Right now, One Jam Music, and from there they saw my vision and just the talent that I have. And you know, there was no holds barred, just they said, look, whatever you feel comfortable with, Nando, just go for that. So what this album is about is just music from yard and abroad. Oh, nice. And you see, it's a tricky thing for actually pull it off, because all of these years I've been studying the craft, making sure that my singing talent is up there to the level where you can be able to do something like this. Because you know, if you have the yard music and it's not authentic one drop, you disrespect. So Nando never disrespect nor disappoint. So make sure we bring it just the same. Ride All Night, which we are bubble right now, dancing, everybody can vibe to it. So that's what that day. Yeah man.
You've been living in New York for quite a while. Do you think that being over there kind of influenced your style?
Yes, definitely did. You know, there's a lot of R&B being played over there, of course, you know, pop as well. So the influence of that music is always there. So some of that definitely influenced Nando as well. So I learned from that. And just from that, you blend with whatever you learn from here back home. Reggae as well, because we love reggae. Reggae at the heart. So we'll add some of that what we learn, and also the reggae. So that's how we come with yard and abroad, you know, because 2 worlds. Both from abroad and a yard.
That sounds good, man. So coming into the industry, were there anything that you expected or anything that you come across that you did not expect?
Wow, just, you know, it's all about just faith in itself and just people having faith in your music and just sticking it out is a really grueling process. And sometimes when you feel like you want to give up, which is, that to me was surprising. You figure, you know, you just wake up every day and just do what you love. It's really a grind, you know, really a grind. So
it's not an easy road.
It's not an easy road. You have to stick it out and just go straight with it every time.
Talent on the Rise was brought to you by Cool Runnings Cran Water. Just cool.
Hey, yo, Barbican with them. I don't know in the streets in my yard beat. We have I Chino here. Just kick him back with us and go on reels. You know, I Chino. Tell me something about Barbican when nobody else out there don't know.
You don't know in a Barbican with them in one community though. We live together though.
Yeah, man. So you say you're an artist?
Yeah, because you don't know we have to catch the thing, you know.
Man.
Watch it now, look out for that one, rum fire, you know. See it? We meditation down higher. So me take a shot of the rum fire. Lord, me no want hear no gunfire. No rotten measure them a whole higher. Them stink and smell like bone tire. Get the youths now hold no more fun higher. As a man this, them run go fi gun higher. Jano, them thing they fi done higher.
Yeah man, that's all like a talent on the rise next week. So then I Chino mad. Let's find out what's going on in the world of entertainment in the Caribbean. It's all about this week's entertainment bus going down on Pree Dis. I Chino, yes sir.
I say rum fire Saturday, you know, starting next week Saturday on the 28th, you know. 3 Barbican way, you get it?
Yeah man, I say fruit, I drink the cranberry raspberry flavor. Mad, Pree Dis.
Inside the Caribbean bus this week, Jamaican dancehall artist Tommy Lee was reportedly arrested in Grenada for marijuana possession. Lee was fined $500 in court and was later deported back home to Jamaica. Dominican recording artist Colton T has released his latest single entitled The Friends with Benefits. The track was produced by Tiger Trigger Maglore and recorded at the So 6 Studios in Dominica. St. Vincent soca artist Kevin Little is getting ready to release his new album. The singer recently released 2 soca singles, Wine and Go Down and Hot Girls and Alcohol. That's the Caribbean Buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson.
Hope them not know something take that word the goal with me, you know. Because you know me and where the goal, me love it. But right now it's all about our first commercial break. Don't worry about it. We'll be right back right here to Pree Dis. We have a lot more, you know. Pree Dis.